and we have more than 75 chapters, right? So this is certainly not the right way to approach these upcoming 10 to 15 days. And I'll be discussing a few points which will help you achieve an extraordinary score in the exam, right? You think yourself how convenient and handy it would be for you to read just 7 pages. It will hardly take 1 to 2 hours. Hello everyone, this is Manshu Malik from IIT Ropar, and this is really a very important video for all the students who are appearing for JEE Mains in the 3rd and 4th session. Please watch this video until the end and make sure that you are not doing any terrible mistake in the final days of your preparation. And I'll be discussing a few points which will help you achieve an extraordinary score in the exam. So let's start. Now see, the first thing to understand is that you are just left with 10 to 15 days of your preparation, right? So please do not try new experiments in this time. The experimenting phase has gone. किसी की भी बात सुन के कुछ भी नया ट्राई मत करने लग जाना. You will find 100 of YouTubers who will say do this in last 15 days, do that and you will get success in JEE Mains. सब झूठ है, right? The final countdown has begun. Just stick to your plans, have faith in yourself कि हाँ मुझसे होगा, and you will be able to clear the exam with a very good score. So I repeat, please do not try new experiments and have faith in yourself. The second thing is the crash course scam. This is one thing which I'm really concerned about, and the reason behind it is अभी recently बहुत सारे YouTube channels और academies ने अपने अपने crash course introduce करे, and I was shocked कि इस तरह से आप पढ़ा के फिर बच्चों को 100% गारंटी भी देते हो सक्सेस की, right? So please make sure that you are not attending any crash course जहाँ पर आपका सिर्फ time waste हो रहा है, right? I saw a video on YouTube. It says crash course rotation in one shot. It was more than 7-hour video and it just covered 20% of the syllabus. तो crash course क्या हुआ ये? What crash course means is explaining the theory very briefly and introducing the students to some quality questions, right? एक ही question में 2-3 concept लगे. This is crash course. तो अगर क्रैश कोर्स का बोल के आपको कोई 10-15 आवर्स में एक चैप्टर कंप्लीट करा रहा है, मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इज इक्वल्स टू ml²/12 निकालना सिखा रहा है, देन देयर इज समथिंग टेरिबली रॉन्ग. एंड इवन आफ्टर वॉचिंग द वीडियो योर जॉब इज स्टिल लेफ्ट. अभी आपको क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करनी है, यू हैव टू ग्रास्प ऑल द कंसेप्ट्स, सो इट विल टेक मोर देन 2 days फॉर यू टू कंप्लीट जस्ट 1 chapter. And we have more than 75 chapters, right? So this is certainly not the right way to approach these upcoming 10 to 15 days. Now the question arises, what's the solution? And that forms the basis of my next point. Let me show you something, guys. These are the notes of chapter rotation that I had prepared during my days, and these are just 7 pages, and trust me guys, these short notes really work in the final days, right? You think yourself how convenient and handy it would be for you to read just 7 pages. It will hardly take 1 to 2 hours. आप 3 घंटा क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करो and your chapter is complete in 4 hours, right? In this way you will be able to complete multiple chapters in 1 day, right? And now the students who have their short notes already prepared, just revise these short notes, practice a lot of questions, and please attempt at least one full length 3-hour question paper. दिन में एक क्वेश्चन पेपर ज़रूर करना है, राइट? एंड द स्टूडेंट्स हु हैव नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड दीज शॉर्ट नोट्स, अभी आपके पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि आप सारे चैप्टर्स के नोट्स प्रिपेयर कर लो. सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग नेक्स्ट 2-3 days in the preparation of short notes of only those chapters in which your confidence level is very low. और फिर next आने वाले 8-10 days में आपकी revision इतनी quick होगी that you are going to smash the exam. And also I will be uploading my short notes. आप वहाँ से भी help ले सकते हो, but be very quick and precise in these final days. So my dear friends, listen to these advices and please do not make any terrible mistake, right? You cannot afford to make a big mistake in these final days. And remember, these 15 days can drastically change your performance in the exam. I wish you all the very best for the upcoming days. Also, if you want any help from my side, please write in the chat box or you can send me an email. And please subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more quality stuff to deliver to you guys. Thank you very much.